Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how to create custom vibrations. Custom vibrations help when you don't want to be disturbed by your phone when you are receiving messages, notifications, or even when people are calling you. So putting custom vibrations will help you not to disturb you or others around you. Let's get started. All you have to do is to search in your phone the applications called Settings. After you got it, press on it. After you have pressed on it, on the new interface you are seeing, you are going to search where there is written sound and you are going to press on it. Next, search where there is written vibrate for calls. It should be turned off, so all you have to do is turn it on. Anytime you are called or sent notifications, it will vibrate only.